Imagine a world where organizations are run not by individuals, but by collective decision-making. Welcome to the revolutionary concept of Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, or DAOs. In today's video, we dive deep into the transformational potential of DAOs as explored in the groundbreaking paper, Skin in the Game, the transformational potential of decentralized autonomous organizations. Stick around to discover the 5 key lessons you can apply to your own business. First, let's get some details about the study. It looks at how decentralized autonomous organizations, which are run by smart contracts and community contributions, can change how we organize and work together. DAOs are virtual organizations that operate on blockchain technology. They use smart contracts to make decisions and rely on the voluntary efforts of community members. The study examines how these organizations manage shared digital resources and promote collective action. The researchers used a comprehensive qualitative approach to gather their insights. They conducted detailed interviews, observations, and reviewed extensive archival data over a period of 23 months. The researchers focused on several DAOs, including MakerDAO, to understand these dynamics. Here's a breakdown of their methods. The researchers conducted 27 semi-structured interviews with key participants in various DAOs. They also observed 20 governance and risk meetings. Finally, the study involved an analysis of over 1,000 pages of archival data, including white papers, blog articles, forum posts, and technical documents related to DAOs. The best 5 ideas from the paper. DAOs are a new way to organize people and tasks using blockchain technology. Instead of having managers, they use smart contracts to make decisions. This gives people the freedom to work towards their goals while following set rules. Traditional organizations often struggle with aligning the interests of owners and managers, but DAOs eliminate this problem by merging these roles. In a DAO, everyone who holds tokens has a say in the organization's direction, making the process more democratic and transparent. DAOs use tokens that people can earn and use to vote on decisions. This encourages people to stay involved because they have a stake in the organization. For example, in MakerDAO, the more tokens you have, the more say you have in decisions. This dual-value token system means that participants are not only investors, but also decision-makers. This setup creates a strong incentive for people to contribute to the success of the organization because their personal financial well-being is directly tied to it. DAOs use a system called polycentric governance, which means they have multiple decision-making centaurs that work together. This makes the organization more flexible and resilient, allowing it to adapt to changes and manage resources effectively. Each unit within the DAO operates independently, but coordinates with others to achieve common goals. This approach helps DAOs balance the need for autonomy with the benefits of collective action. For example, MakerDAO uses various core units to handle different aspects of its operations, such as risk management and development. DAOs promote working together by making it easy for people to contribute and by creating shared value. They use mechanisms like sustained participation, collective direction, and scaled organizing to facilitate cooperation and manage digital commons effectively. This approach helps in addressing collective action problems and ensures the long-term sustainability of the DAO. For instance, MakerDAO encourages participation through incentives and clear rules of engagement, which helps build a strong community committed to the organization's success. DAOs balance centralized and decentralized governance through a combination of human and machine agency. This involves the use of smart contracts for automated rule enforcement and human oversight for strategic decision-making. By integrating these elements, DAOs can maintain efficiency while ensuring adaptability to changing conditions and diverse member needs. In MakerDAO, smart contracts handle routine tasks like executing trades and managing collateral, while humans make more complex strategic decisions. This balance allows the organization to be both efficient and flexible. 5 key lessons for you and your business. Utilize blockchain and smart contracts to make your organization's decision-making more transparent and efficient. This can reduce overhead and increase engagement. For instance, implementing a voting system where stakeholders can vote on key decisions using tokens can democratize the process and ensure that everyone's voice is heard. The decentralized nature of DAOs means that decision-making power is distributed among many participants rather than being concentrated in the hands of a few managers. This can lead to more democratic and transparent decision-making processes. However, it also requires robust mechanisms for accountability to ensure that decisions are in line with the organization's goals. Smart contracts play a crucial role here, as they can automatically enforce rules and agreements, reducing the need for manual oversight and increasing transparency. Offer tokens or other rewards to encourage people to contribute. This aligns their interests with the organization's goals and keeps them engaged. Providing financial rewards for contributions can motivate members to stay actively involved. You could set up a system where participants earn tokens for completing tasks, contributing ideas, or engaging in governance activities. A key strength of DAOs is their ability to engage and collaborate with a diverse community of participants. By leveraging the collective intelligence and expertise of their members, DAOs can innovate and solve problems more effectively. This collaborative approach is facilitated by digital platforms that allow for open communication and participation. For example, many DAOs use forums, chat platforms, and regular meetings to discuss ideas, make decisions, and coordinate activities. Create a governance structure that allows for multiple decision-making centers. This makes your organization more resilient and able to adapt to changes. Encouraging collaboration and mutual support among units can lead to more innovative solutions. Consider dividing your organization into smaller units, each responsible for different functions, but working together towards common goals. DAOs are inherently adaptable and resilient due to their decentralized structure. They can quickly respond to changes and challenges without the delays that often accompany centralized decision-making processes. This flexibility is particularly valuable in the fast-paced digital world, where conditions can change rapidly. The ability of DAOs to adapt and evolve in response to new information and circumstances is a significant advantage over more traditional organizational models. DAOs promote working together by making it easy for people to contribute and by creating shared value. They use mechanisms like sustained participation, collective direction, and scaled organizing to facilitate cooperation and manage digital commons effectively. This approach helps in addressing collective action problems and ensures the long-term sustainability of the DAO. For instance, MakerDAO encourages participation through incentives and clear rules of engagement, which helps build a strong community committed to the organization's success. DAOs foster a sense of collective ownership and responsibility among their members. Since participants have a direct stake in the DAO through token ownership, they are more likely to contribute positively and work towards the organization's goals. This collective ownership model contrasts with traditional corporate structures, where ownership and management are often separate, leading to potential conflicts of interest. In a DAO, every member has skin in the game, ensuring that decisions are made with the organization's best interests in mind. Balance the use of smart contracts with human oversight to maintain efficiency and adaptability. This integration can help in automating routine tasks while allowing humans to focus on strategic and creative decision-making. Ensuring a balance between human and machine agency is essential for the effective functioning of DAOs.